Hello, and thank you for clicking in. Join us as we conduct a quick road assessment of Kingwood Drive. During this assessment, we will examine the roadway surface, railroad crossing, drainage, signage, and other relevant features to help ensure safe and efficient travel for all drivers. Our goal is to document existing conditions and highlight any areas that may benefit from maintenance or improvement in the interest of public safety. Without further delay, let's get started. Drivers traveling on Kingwood Drive should be aware of multiple road divots and many repair patches that may create an uneven driving surface in certain areas. These road irregularities can cause a rougher ride, increase vehicle wear and tear, and require motorists to exercise additional caution, particularly at higher speeds during traffic congestion or during wet weather when surface conditions may be harder to detect. Also, several sections of Kingwood Drive are noticeably bumpy due to road wear, road patches, and surface irregularities on many parts of the road, which can result in a rougher driving experience for many drivers. Kingwood Drive is also lined with trees and dense vegetation, contributing to the area's scenic character, but potentially affecting visibility in some locations, particularly around curves and at the many turnabouts on Kingwood Drive. Additionally, drivers traveling on Kingwood Drive should be aware that for much of Kingwood Drive, there is no road shoulder, which reduces the available recovery space for vehicles that may need to avoid hazards, accommodate disabled vehicles, or make emergency maneuvers. Moreover, faded road markings in some areas can make it more difficult for motorists to clearly identify lane boundaries, particularly during nighttime driving, during adverse weather conditions, or periods of heavy traffic. These conditions may increase the potential for lane positioning errors and require drivers to exercise heightened attention. Also, drivers traveling on Kingwood Drive should be aware that several low-lying sections of the roadway are prone to flooding during periods of heavy rainfall. Standing water can accumulate quickly, reducing tire traction, obscuring pavement markings, concealing roadway hazards such as potholes or debris, and increasing the risk of hydroplaning. Drivers are encouraged to exercise caution during and after significant rain events on Kingwood Drive, reduce speed when encountering wet conditions, and avoid driving through water-covered areas when the depth is unknown. And Kingwood Drive is a winding and meandering street with numerous landscaped road islands that help manage traffic flow and enhance the street's appearance. However, such roadway characteristics can require increased driver attention, particularly for motorists who are unfamiliar with the area. Curves in the roadway may limit sight distance and reduce the time available to react to changing traffic conditions, while road traffic islands can create narrower travel paths and restrict turning movements at certain locations. During periods of heavy traffic, nighttime driving, or adverse weather conditions, these features may increase the potential for sudden lane changes, missed turns, or conflicts with other vehicles. Drivers should maintain appropriate speeds, remain attentive to roadway signage and lane markings, and allow sufficient space between vehicles to safely navigate the winding road and road island sections of Kingwood Drive. Furthermore, drivers traveling on Kingwood Drive should be aware of the railroad crossing near Interstate 69 intersection, which can temporarily disrupt traffic flow when trains are passing. Motorists may experience delays due to activated crossing gates, flashing warning signals, and stopped traffic that can extend beyond the immediate crossing area during peak travel periods. In addition, the railroad track crossing surface may create a slight change in pavement elevation, requiring drivers to reduce speed and exercise caution, particularly during wet weather or when operating motorcycles, bicycles, or other vehicles that may be more sensitive to uneven surfaces. Did you know Kingwood, Texas is often called the livable forest because it was master planned to preserve much of its natural woodland environment? When the Kingwood community was developed in the early 1970s, thousands of mature pine and hardwood trees were intentionally left in place, creating the heavily forested neighborhoods, green belts, and scenic roadways that still characterize Kingwood today. The community contains more than 75 miles of greenbelt trails, making it one of the most extensive trail systems in the greater Houston area and a popular destination for walking, running, and cycling.
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video. If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.